Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make condensed milk in the comfort of your own house with only 3 ingredients. First, pour in 500 ml of milk, and then followed by ½ cup of sugar. To avoid burns, use a heavy-bottomed pan and stir it well until the sugar dissolves over a high flame. Once the sugar has been dissolved, turn the heat to medium and let the milk to boil, while constantly stirring to avoid burns or any lumps of fat in the mixture. Stir it until the milk quality is reduced to half. The procedure should last about 10 to 15 minutes. As the sugar melts, the color will slowly change to a creamish yellow. Add ½ a spoon or pinch of baking soda at this point. You may notice the mixture growing frothy. Simply keep stirring for 4 to 6 minutes and adjust the temperature to achieve a thick consistency. Keep in mind that condensed milk tends to thicken as it cools, so don't overdo it. Baking soda will help in the creation of a creamy texture and the thickening of condensed milk. Our condensed milk is now ready to serve. We hope you find this video helpful, and we hope to see your face in our future video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Till next.